Everyone, this is Kikimo Vlog. It's episode Actor Beast here in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation. Ito naman mga edits to ni Sandy. Sandy, nananawagan ako sa iyo. Sana bumalik ka na sa pag-edit sa Barda. Please. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Walang chemistry yung Hiroshi kay Adelina. Honestly, ay? Ano to? Wait lang. Siya pala yung nanonood. Honestly, walang chemistry yung Hiroshi kay Adelina. Pati yung Pilay pa rin talaga actually. Ano to? Oh, that kind of love. Medyo mahina na lang yung sound. Grabe nga talaga yung visuals. Ay, titig na titig. I can't with the visuals of this movie. I couldn't agree more. Ay, sulyap-sulyap oh. Feeling nyo sa tent, ganyan din sila. Yung nagsusulyap-sulyapan. Feeling nyo lang. Ako feeling ko oo. Eme. Feeling ko ganun eh. Yung sulyap-sulyapan nila, no? David Licao po. Hello. Ay, kailangan ko eh. Magaling talaga si David. Parang iba talaga si David. Sa totoo na. Okay, what's next? Ay, all characters compilation. Eh, gusto ko to. Hindi ko pa to napanood. I-like natin to. Filay. Heartfelt Cafe. Dito hindi sila mag-love team, right? Talaga yung pang-atake nito. Magaling si Sandy gumawa ng compilation. Oh my God. Mas gusto ko din yung Filay kaysa sa kay Adelina at kay Hiroshi. Ay, atake to. Ay, halik na halik ko. Kitang-kita oh, halik na halik, di ba? Pansin niyo ba? Halata naman eh, di ba? Ay, atake. Ito ba? Oh, kailangan ko dead.
Gusto ko yung may asawa ko ngayon na.
Ay, oo nga.
Imagine mo bang ikakasal si Angela kung magpapatay kay Francine? Nandito ako.
Kaya nung makahanap ng kakuntsaba,
Hindi niya talaga pagsisisihan to.
Ngayon pa lang nagsisisi na ako.
wish niya lang
Ngayon pala nagsisisi na ako.
bumafire ng todo.
Every night, I feel Okay, what's next? Ay, K-drama feels talaga sila. K-drama feels talaga sila, Mi. Anyways, ay, paano naman si Baby Clyde? Oy, hayaan mo na. Nasa'yo din naman yung huling halakhak, binibining Clyde. It's okay. It's totally fine. Charis. What's next?
I'm looking for a man and find.
Ay, hello. Okay. Happy birthday, Lady Likaw ko. You. Netflix. The real words only fake ones.
Everything shit.
Ang galing nito ni Sandy eh. Di ba? Ang galing niya gumawa, oh.
Easy, so right. This is how our story goes, Beck.
Ay, napanood ko na itong You.
Really like him.
Ah, yes. Walwal era ni Barbie. The Walwal era.
It's perfect. If I just keep being the perfect boyfriend, you'll realize
I'm not a maybe. I'm the one.
Ay, Riverdale.
love is.
Ang galing gumawa.
It scares me to love someone so completely and not have them love you back. I need to know who you really are. I've read people wrong in the past.
Are you following me?
Ay, atake.
I think you were hiding something.
Every relationship has its obstacles to overcome, right?
Atake, mami. Barda version. Ang ganda nun, ah. Okay, what's next?
Mila,
Ay,
baka naman you just like him. No,
ay,
I
atake.
would date anyone
Atake.
but
Adam, you like her.
I date anyone.
Atake, ang ganda nito. That kind of vlog. Ang ganda pa ng cinematography nito, actually. Totoo lang. Nako. Nako. Ay, awit sa'yo, mami. Ginoo na huling kinilig kay Binibining Clyde for today's video. Ginoo. Huli na kinilig. Anyways, that is all for today's video over part of compilation. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!